crying soft and low, adding rhythm in the under.